Well, I pretty well concluded that this end is a little bit more interesting than this end. So that means that this will have to go on the bottom. So what I have to do now is make a mark on the back, an invisible mark, so I'll know where to drill the holes in the back to go into these vertical pieces here. So if they're invisible, how am I going to see them, right? There is a little bit of play this way. So I've folded up some paper here and to act as wedges to sort of center the board. And as far as the up and down play goes, I'm just going to have it all the way to the bottom. Now as for an invisible mark, that's going to be kind of hard to do. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use this as a gauge. I'm just going to make a little mark, sort of a little scratch. And I'll know to find it, it'll be the same distance that this is wide from the bottom. And I'll do the same with the other four corners. Well, right here is that little mark. So I want to make the hole about 3/8 of an inch in. That'll be about right there. I'll just do that on the other four corners. I'm just going to make very small pilot holes. Now I only need to go deep enough here so that the head of the screw isn't proud of the back. That should be good. And I better lock it in place so it doesn't slowly change from the vibration. That should be good. This is where a nice sturdy drill press really comes in handy. You should remember that I had said I wanted there to be a little bit of play in this so that it can move around a little bit in case there's any contracting or expanding. So that's why this bit is about 3 sizes too big. I know nobody's going to see this, but I'll know that I didn't do it. Okay, my plan is that I'll just snug these up and then back it off. Well, wouldn't it be nice if I could say there, we're all finished. Now I can start on the mantle. But that's not the case. There's a long way to go yet.